we are.
You up front.
Huh?
You up front.
Right here? Backing in the hole. All right, so we got this thing rocking and rolling. As you'll see in my other videos, I'm not going to go over it now, the whole process of getting this started. You can look in my other videos that I've downloaded recently. It tells everything about the details. Check out my playlist.
Now.
She is ready for fascia. And Chris is getting ready to do all of that now. He's marking it down, getting ready to jump on that metal brake and go to town.
You got some more to fire later, maybe. Five eight. From this side. From this side. You fuck.
Hey, give me a cigarette. I know what I smell like.
Smell like money.
Yeah.
Smell like a cancer patient.
Yeah. Cancer.
Because there is medical here.
Sorry?
Yeah, South Carolina.
Oh, South Carolina. No Carolina gets shit. No Carolina gets shit.
Virginia does. South Carolina does nothing in the middle there.
Yeah, right?
It's the last state ever.
Yeah. Yep. You got that right.
Not until we get ready to get a new governor.
Yep. Trump's doing that.
You know how great that would be? You know what's strange? Kamala Harris says.
Be careful, be careful.
You got some more to fire later, maybe. Five eight. From this side. From this side. You fuck.
She is ready for fascia. And Chris is getting ready to do all of that now. He's marking it down, getting ready to jump on that metal brake and go to town.
there?
No.
No, if they're coming behind.
Magnet.
No magnet?
No magnet. Of course not.
I'll hook you up. I'll get you one for now.
This one on double it.
Just had to get the mark first.
Here, come down.
It's coming out the top of the 2 before.
Yeah, it goes. Yeah, top of the 2 before is the number every time.
Hold back on nails.
Yeah, 3 nails in, that's it.
On the top. The rest of it gets held up by turn bar up there. The bottom of it gets turn bar where Paul's at.
Ahead of us. I got it. I know how far to get in there.
Nice, all bent and everything. I like it. Oh, that's me. You like it?
Yep.
Right there.
Yeah, put it in.
Yeah, buddy.
Right where it's at.
Get it in the top, not in the bottom.
That's where the money's at.
Get it in the top, not the bottom. Don't leave the bottom around. Oh. Now let this vegetable go past.
Thank you.
You see what I mean?
You want that to go in there?
No. That's going to fold around inch and a half.
Yeah. Hold on.
So what's that? Should go up on each of them.
Yep.
Top piece middle.
Yep. Just
Drop
line
your
them
end
up.
down.
Huh?
Drop your end down.
Just like that.
Hey, give me some more.
Huh?
Give me some more. Right there.
Right there?
I
You
Yeah.
like that angle?
I like
Yep,
that.
that's good.
Yeah.
Good angle.
Yeah, that's a good waterfall.
Yep. So that's what our finished product looks like. I hope we're able to get some of this on that camera and that camera. That one was a little far away, so I hope you got some of that and get a good idea of how we mark that and come around. So you just build a 90 and you already have your piece that protrudes out past here. So if you put your other piece next to it and mark the back side and leave a couple inches on that piece, works out pretty well. All right, everybody, N-E-E-S-E, South Carolina. Drew's Roofing. This bad boy is complete. And it looks amazing. Check out my playlist for other videos like this. We do all kind of mobile home roofs, all shapes and sizes. If you look at the video I've made of before we started this roof, you're gonna see what I would consider amazing transformation. It just doesn't look the same. Nothing about it's the same. This will change her light bill. This will change her heating bill, I should say. This will change your air conditioning bill. Oh, I need to get some guys up here before I leave. You all right, Chris? Get some guys up here before we leave. I want to show you how strong we've made this roof. Just by adding the plywood on it. Transition, never leak again. Nice white 6-inch overhang with fascia. It's a pretty job right there. This is, oh, if anybody interested, I found some Thunderbird hubcaps, 1969. Look at that. I mean, does it get any better than that? No, man, it's beautiful, right, Paul? That's beautiful. We are 100% done. 100%.